Hey everybody, Marjan here from Firefly Craft. Today we're making a super fun project. We're going to do an apron for your favorite grill master. It's a two-color decal in yellow and light orange. Because our apron is a simple cotton poly, we can use our regular pressing settings, about 300 degrees for 15 seconds. I'll start with my orange, light orange. Now we'll add the yellow on top of that. Because our orange flames come out on top of the yellow decal, I'm going to add a Teflon sheet for this press so we don't scorch that light orange. These colors are both hot peel, which makes it really easy. Peel off the top. There's our cute project.